Got another quick trailer walkthrough for you. Today we're looking at 2013 Dutchmen Kodiak 221 model. It's a double axle single slide travel trailer here. I'm going to go through whole exterior and interior really quick, show you any imperfections we got. Now this coach, I do think it did have some covered parking, but it was definitely sun heavy on the front cap and then this side, this driver's side, because you could kind of tell, hopefully you can see it in the video, but I guess some of that gel coat's just starting to go. You can see it up there, you can get close. You know, the lower half doesn't look too bad, but up above, it must have seen, because over here, same concept on the slide. Really not too bad down below, but still definitely something to point out. You can kind of see that decal starting to crack. So, this side, you got the brunt of it when it comes to sun damage. A couple connections here, power, spray ports, water, coaxial connection, so you're dumped down below. Stab jacks, stabilizers throughout, 4 of them. A spare tire, always funny. And the back doesn't look too bad. You can see a little bit around the corners again. Really not too bad. Now it's not that corrugated metal, not stick and tin, it is that fiberglass sided. And then this side, it just looks beautiful on this side. So I think this one definitely had the shade over here, I would assume. A little bit of something to start right there. Not soft, no, it looks like just maybe starting to crack from just wear and tear. Nice pass-through storage here. Nice and big, actually. Men out there, don't ever backsass the woman. She'll put you in here. Now, the front cap does have a little bit of delamination on it. You can see some of those bubbles starting to appear there, there, and there. Now, delam is either from water or heat. In most cases, it is water damage. In this case, I honestly do think it was heat because I felt the inside of this coach. It's not soft or anything, and it's only in a few areas, and it's still solid under. And like I said, it saw a lot of sun. A lot of sun damage here. Electric tongue jack, always nice. Couple propane tanks, single battery wired up. Tires, they're yellowed from the sun. They're only 3 years old. No drywall cracking, no chipping or anything like that. A few steps to get in, and then here is kind of that first look and feel. Now we won't be in here for too long. It's a small coach, but queen bed up front kind of has that little island separator for the TV. Little side table here. Main closet. A little bit of storage up above. That is a pass-through that goes to that one. Closet on that side is the same exact thing. So sometimes these do flip around, but this one you have a mounting bracket on both sides for a TV. And then of course your power connections, little cubbies. Is there underbed storage? There's a little bit of underbed storage. A little bit harder to access with the bed so tight, but still got it if need be. Put a couple winter coats in there. And then if you want to see the other side, same exact thing, power outlet. Now, of course, wardrobe, once again. Shades, just your standard one style shade, strung. And then you do also have some kind of like accordion style doors here that you can use to, block out the left and the right side of here. A little bit of storage above. Do have a little bit of that kind of, there's just like a veneer covering on it. That does happen over time, unfortunately. Nice big U-shaped dinette that does turn into a table and actually could sleep somebody. Instead of a smaller boot dinette, I'd say they could sleep too. It makes me laugh. And that is, like I said, that's all your slide right there. It's going to be your pantry. And then right behind us, you can see your furnace down below too. Right behind us, you get your kitchen. Kitchen does actually have some Corian countertops. So you get a little bit of extra counter space there, and some there. I'm sure initially it did come with covers. I unfortunately did not have it come in with covers. Pretty dark, but nice big storage under there. Does have an oven though. 3-burner gas stove top and an oven. Looks like the 19-inch oven. And then just a little baby microwave. And then your pots and pan drawer. And then the last thing in this kitchen is going to be that storage right there. So your power connection for the microwave. All right. Well, I just said the last thing, but realistically, the fridge is the last thing. Norcold, propane, electric, all that good stuff. So if you're boondocking or dry camping, you can still keep your food cold. One of the best features in this coach is this bathroom. This bathroom is fabulous. So you've still got that kind of vinyl flooring throughout. It is a plastic toilet. It's actually pretty clean overall. A little bit of counter space, small sink, storage under the sink here. To the right, kind of nice little cubby area for towels. And your shower, one-piece fiberglass shower. Now me, I am 5'9". Don't judge me. You know, you can't be 6'2", 6'3" and get in here and still, you know, be fine. You could duck, but a little bit, it's a travel trailer. You usually have smaller showers. Medicine cabinet. And then the final two things, a couple of drawers, two storage areas. And finally, I love when travel trailers do this, give you an additional wardrobe, because that's something always lacking in a travel trailer. So there you go, quick walkthrough. Hope I gave you a good look at the floor plan. I know pictures only do so much justice. Thank you so much for viewing. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. Have a great day.